What's up? It's not your mama, but I'm just as wise. So today I'm going to show you how to cut tulle off of the bolt for a tulle skirt for the table. So if you have tulle off the bolt, you're just going to fold it longwise. Fold it, fold it, fold it. So it gets to be about 5 inches wide. Now the way that you measure it is, if you need 30 inches, you double it. So I have tulle, cutting board, scissors, a yardstick. I'm looking for 36 inches for my table, is what I'm doing. So, across, take the scissors, and I'm cutting it straight at the 5-inch mark. So, right on. Five-inch mark, and you get one strip. Now it's 36 inches. All right. So I'm going to show you with this candlestick how exactly you should be able to do it on your elastic. So if this was elastic or your ribbon, whatever you're making the table skirt on, here's what you're going to do. So you're going to hold the tail at the bottom, make sure it's even. At the top, you're going to have a loop. So, acting like this is the tulle skirt, the elastic. You put your loop in the front of the skirt, pull the tail through the loop. Loop, whatever. And just pull straight down. Now, see, it's gonna look like that at first, and then just kind of pinch it together and pull your tail down harder. And you see, you could do it tighter, you can leave it that wide, depending on the tighter that you do these and the more tulle you put, the bigger your skirt's gonna be. If you leave these kind of loose, some people like to have them more drama at the top. That's okay as well. It's whatever you're looking for. So if you're just looking for a little bit of a floof at the bottom, you want to leave this not so tight. If you're looking for a thicker, more filled skirt, you're gonna tighten it. The next one, the next one, the next one. You just keep going all the way around. It will fill in. So I'll show you. I have one strip cut here. So again, make sure the bottom is even. You have your fingers through the hoop. Go onto your elastic. Pull the tail through the back. And pull it straight down. See, it's big. Pinch it together. Tighten it. Then you want to push them together. That's what it looks like with 2 of them. And then it'll be left at the bottom. Now, if you're gonna do like a tutu skirt, same thing applies. If you're doing it for like a baby, 2T, 4T, I think you would do like maybe 8 to 12 inches. 8 to 12, 8 to 12 inches. Because remember, when you fold it over, it'll be 6 inches. So it'll be super floofy. So basically, however long you want it, that's what I have it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. We have a lot more things coming. I know I'm new. I'm trying my best to video as much as I can because I just kind of get into the swings of things and I just keep going. So I appreciate you all. Thank you.